The United States will do its part to manage tensions with China and prevent conflict, even though Beijing is becoming increasingly aggressive in the Asian region, including near Taiwan, U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin said on Saturday. Addressing the Shangri-La Dialogue, Asia's premier security gathering, Austin said the United States would continue to stand by its allies, including Taiwan. China claims self-ruled Taiwan as its own and has vowed to take it by force if necessary. Austin said there had been an alarming increase in the number of unsafe and unprofessional encounters between Chinese planes and vessels with those of other countries. Austin said that the United States' policy on Taiwan was to remain opposed to any unilateral changes to the status quo. Beijing already said on Friday that it would not hesitate to start a war if Taiwan declares independence.